Ever wondered how safe it is to use supplements and alternative therapies? Well, you're not alone. In recent years, there's been a surge of interest in these health aids, with an increasing number of people turning to them in search of better health and wellness. From vitamins and minerals to herbal remedies and acupuncture, supplements and alternative therapies have truly made their mark. But with this growing popularity comes a lot of confusion and, unfortunately, a few misconceptions. Many believe that just because something is labeled as natural or alternative, it's automatically safe and beneficial. But that's not always the case. Like any health product, these can have side effects, and their use should be approached with caution. So, how can you ensure you're using these products responsibly? What are the guidelines for safe use? These are the questions we'll be exploring in this video. Stay tuned as we dive into the guidelines for safe and responsible use of supplements and alternative therapies. Firstly, we need to understand what exactly supplements and alternative therapies are. Dietary supplements come in many forms, from vitamins and minerals to amino acids and enzymes. They're designed to supplement, not replace, the nutrients you get from a balanced diet. On the other hand, alternative therapies refer to a diverse range of healing practices that don't fall within the realm of conventional medicine. These can include acupuncture, where thin needles are inserted into the body; yoga, a mind-body practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation, and many others. The goal of these therapies is often to treat the whole person, not just the symptoms of disease. They're typically used alongside conventional treatments, not as a substitute. So supplements and alternative therapies can be great tools for maintaining and improving health, but they're not magic bullets. Now that we have a basic understanding, let's move on to the guidelines. So, you're considering using supplements or trying out an alternative therapy, but how do you do it safely? Let's unfold the guidelines for safe and responsible use of these health boosters. First and foremost, it's crucial to consult with healthcare providers. They have the knowledge and expertise to guide you on what supplements or therapies might be beneficial or potentially harmful. This is particularly important if you're currently on medication, pregnant, nursing, or dealing with a chronic health condition. Next, make it a habit to thoroughly research the product or therapy you're considering. Look into the manufacturer's information, read up on scientific studies, and check out reviews from other users. It's about equipping yourself with knowledge to make an informed decision. Understanding potential risks and side effects is another crucial step. While supplements and alternative therapies can offer health benefits, they're not without risks. Some might interact negatively with medications or exacerbate pre-existing health conditions. Others might have side effects that range from mild discomfort to severe health issues. Also, pay attention to the dosage instructions. Supplements and therapies can be beneficial when used as directed, but they can cause harm if misused. Be sure to follow the recommended dosage and frequency, and don't fall into the trap of thinking that more is always better. In the world of supplements and alternative therapies, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person might not work for another, and what's safe for one person might be unsafe for another. It's about finding what works best for you in a safe and responsible manner. Lastly, do not replace prescribed medication or traditional medical treatment with supplements or alternative therapies without consulting your healthcare provider. They are meant to complement and not to substitute conventional medicine. Remember, these guidelines are here to help you make informed and safe decisions. Navigating the world of supplements and alternative therapies can be complex, but with the right approach, you can make the most of what they have to offer. Why is it so important to follow these guidelines, you might ask? Well, let's delve into that. The world of supplements and alternative therapies can be a treacherous landscape if navigated without caution. There's a potential minefield of dangers and pitfalls that can occur if guidelines are not strictly adhered to. One such danger is the risk of adverse reactions. Just like mainstream medications, supplements and alternative therapies can cause a range of side effects, from mild discomfort to severe health complications. Another significant concern is the possibility of interactions with other medications. Many people are unaware that certain supplements can alter the way their prescription medications work, sometimes with serious consequences. It's a game of dominoes where one small change can cascade into a much larger problem. And let's not forget the risk of using unregulated products. In a market flooded with options, not every product meets the standards of safety and efficacy. Some might contain harmful substances or not deliver on their promises, leading to wasted money at best and health hazards at worst. So, when we talk about guidelines, we're not just talking about a set of arbitrary rules designed to make life more complicated. These guidelines are the beacon in the fog, the map in the wilderness, the guardrails on the winding road of supplements and alternative therapies. The guidelines are not just suggestions, they're essential for your safety. In summary, supplements and alternative therapies can be beneficial, but they must be used responsibly. We've journeyed through understanding these aids and the importance of following guidelines for their safe use. To recap, remember that not all supplements and therapies are created equal. Quality and purity can vary, and unfortunately, not all are vetted for safety or efficacy. Always choose products from reputable sources and look for those that have been independently tested. Next, bear in mind that more is not necessarily better. Stick to recommended dosages and usage guidelines. Overdoing it can lead to adverse effects and potentially harmful interactions. Thirdly, never substitute supplements or alternative therapies for prescribed medication or professional medical advice. They should be seen as complementary to a healthy lifestyle, not a magic bullet or a solution to all health problems. Fourthly, always disclose your use of these aids to your healthcare provider. This is crucial in avoiding harmful interactions with medications, and it allows your provider to have a complete picture of your health management strategy. Finally, remember that knowledge is power. Do your own research, stay informed, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Your health is your responsibility, and it's worth the effort to make informed decisions. Stay safe, be informed, and make the best choices for your health.